Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together. Hey y'all, we're back.
What?
I'm sorry.
Ooh, chat.
It was, yeah, I don't know what that was. I don't know.
It's okay.
But anyways, so we are back though. And new focus for this collection.
Yeah.
We're getting into those holiday months, people. You know what it is. You got the Thanksgiving dinner at Auntie's house. You know, maybe it's Christmas dinner coming up. Who even knows, okay? But we're in that time frame.
Some of y'all like Black Friday, Cyber Monday.
Yeah, all of that.
All of that.
And so we're gonna do some holiday-inspired fun, okay? Are you ready?
Ready as am I gonna be. Let's get into it.
Let's get into it. We're gonna start with a shot.
Ooh, chat.
Yeah. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. It's not where we're like taste testing the liquors and all of that. We're doing the specialty shots you be seeing, okay? And so this one's called the caramel apple pie shot.
Oh, sounds fancy.
I think it'll be good. So let's run through the ingredients and then we'll get started, okay? You need an apple vodka. We got Ciroc here, okay? Do whatever you want to do. Ciroc spoke to my wallet, okay? That's what you need to know.
Thanks, Diddy.
I like this right here.
Apple cider. Again, whatever brand you want. Safeway for the win on this one, okay? Need some caramel sauce for a little drizzle dizzle. And some whipped cream.
Yeah. For the shot, not the beat.
Oh, yeah, we don't, if you had a thought in your mind. My God.
I'm just saying, because y'all nasty. This is a holiday special. Family time. Get it out of your head. Let's get into it.
Oh my God, okay. I wasn't ready though. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, it's okay. Can you pass me the vodka? I'ma just start, bro.
Yes, darling. Sorry.
She done gave me a,
because I want to keep this PG, because we got kids, holidays.
Oh my gosh.
It's all for us. We drinking, but yeah, let's get into it.
Yeah. So, yeah, is it really for the kids?
Part of it. They got apple cider.
Wow. Yeah, so they,
And whipped cream.
and the whipped cream.
Yep.
There you go.
Yep, let's go.
Okay, 1 ounce of your apple vodka.
Ooh, child.
Or whatever no, you know what? Don't listen to the ancestors on this
Not
one.
when it comes to vodka for me.
It's not that. We're working with a limited space here, okay?
I feel you.
You know, could add a little on the top if you're feeling froggy or something.
Not with no vodka, baby.
I know. You be hating on the vodka. All right, 1 ounce of our apple cider.
Ooh, 1 ounce.
Big old jug. My bad.
1 ounce.
I don't, you know. My God.
My bad. I got baby hands.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. And we're gonna stir this together, okay? Just give it a little simple stir so we incorporate everything. All right.
Give it a little.
Yeah, just a little. You got more than me.
You got more than me. How? It's a shot.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
Oh, okay. I had to leave a little. We're gonna leave a little space for the whipped cream. Damn. Okay. As you can see, I don't have too much space in mine. My bad. Like, shit. We don't need no accidents. All right. A little whipped cream. All right. I'm gonna attempt to drizzle this caramel. I don't really.
Ooh, child. That ain't no drizzle.
Okay. Well, it's a plop.
It's a flop.
Wow.
Stop giving these people ideas.
I know. I'm not even trying to.
Oh my gosh. What is this? All right. Well, the drizzle wasn't drizzling. It was a, I don't even know what to call it.
Okay, so it's fine. You just got a blob of caramel, and that's fine. So, okay, do we like shoot this or do we sip it? Because it is like we're supposed to, like taste it a little bit. I don't know, what you think? What are we doing?
I have no idea.
Maybe we sip it first. Okay. What?
Oh my. That was good.
Shot.
So just out of curiosity, you sipped yours?
I did. Well, I thought we had committed to a sip first and then a shot.
Yeah, but it was like no way around it. So I just like,
okay,
get your mind off the gutter. Just saying.
Okay. Well,
but I put my whole mouth around it.
Okay. So you went for the kill. You went for the direct kill on the shot, which is technically, I'm not faulting her. That is what you're supposed to do. I just thought because we are kind of like tasting it, like you was gonna taste it first. But
I mean, it was a shot. But I'm gonna taste it again because I got extra.
But you know what? We have extra. So you know what? Valid. Okay. So do you want to start off? Do you want to start us off on like what you think of this? Like, break it down.
I will say I do like this. This is definitely different from your traditional going to the bar, hey, give me like a Don Julio shot. It's different for sure. And it actually, to be honest with you, the mix of all of this together, it actually is not harsh at all.
No.
It easily goes down like a fat kid on a seesaw. Wow, it's good. It's good. So no complaints here. So I'm gonna give this a 10 for a shot.
Hey!
Yes, ma'am. What about you, sis?
I enjoyed this, obviously, because I brought it down. No, okay. So this is really good. I don't do shots anymore. Like, I feel like the last time I feel like the last time I really did a shot was like in college.
How long ago was that? I wasn't throwing shade. I was being dead ass serious. I was just asking.
It was some time ago. Okay.
A long time ago.
Fair enough.
Anywho, so it's been a minute since I did, had shots or whatever, and particularly kind of the specialty shots. Like, I feel like in college, I would order like the Washington apple shot or like, there's another shot, but I'm not gonna repeat it because I don't want y'all to get any ideas. You probably know where I'm headed with that, okay? So it's been a minute. This is really tasty, though. You obviously get the vodka, but it's, like you said, it's incorporated with your apple cider.
Is that extras?
That's extra.
Oh, okay. Go ahead,
Yeah.
I'm listening.
No, I took my shot. I took
trust
it.
you.
Oh my God. Okay. So, I think we're in agreement here. This is a 10. This will mess you up though. You have about 4 of these.
It's vodka.
Because it has vodka. Remember, it's like equal parts apple cider to vodka. So you're gonna get your liquor's worth. Sometimes the shots be like, where's the liquor? You know what I mean?
Right.
But in this particular instance, it's quite tasty. So
I like it.
A 10.
A 10.
A 10.
And Mr. Mawat's voice, 10.
Yep.
10.
You already know how he don't discriminate. So yeah, we not discriminate.
Not
okay.
Not for this shot.
I feel like this is a good way to get the party started.
So sis, about that shot that you had in college that you won't name. You want to care to go in a little bit deeper? You want to give us, kids ain't
deeper
supposed to watch this. Wow. That was a clever one. If I knew that I could have used that, and I did not pay attention to that.
The name of the shirt. Wow.
Wow. Did was that a side effect?
No.
Oh my God, ma'am. So where did the sharks come from? Like, that's just random. Like, nobody says shark.
The name of the shot starts with a B. Google it.
B, and what's the second word?
Starts with a J. And there's a certain technique about how you're supposed to take the shot.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, you have it. Put it together. Solve the puzzle.
Because I'm not saying it.
Are we all doing it? All right, Kitty. What's the next February Queen? Come here.
Okay.
You have some vowels and you have some consonants.
Right.
Yep.
We on Wheel of Fortune over here, okay? So, yeah. Hey, let us know if you would try this shot. Also, let us know what some of your favorite holiday shots are, because I'm in a jolly mood right now, and so I would like to try some other ones. Okay, you know what I'm saying?
Well.
So, yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You really want to subscribe, okay? Because we be coming in with the fire.
Ring that bell.
Can I ring that bell? Ring my bell. Hey. Oh, you
What
have
a
some
sugar
leftovers? It's
Anyway.
that time. I just put in a plug. It is that time of year. Okay.
I take car parts, Cash App, Zelle.
I need me a little purse. Okay, a little
if you have
clever
Navy Federal,
shoe.
which most of y'all do.
Right.
Everybody and their mama
Just
in their
transfer a little
club.
something.
I'm just saying.
A little something.
And I don't want to hear that, oh, well, it takes 7 business days for my savings account to my checking account. No,
Because it don't.
it all transfers the same.
The same right away. Anyway, so we'll be back with more joy. You know what I'm saying?